Just watched the Ten Commandments. I saw Moses talking to the burning bush, and I wanted to know what that would look like. Oh my God! Look at that tree! Dude, that's not good.
Man, that thing had a big flame.
That was a close one.
Oh my gosh. You could feel the heat from that thing from way far back.
Can you imagine how it felt when I ran up to hit it? I feel like I'm burned.